Hello friend, welcome to Drjslab. I am Jignesh Prajapati. Today I am demonstrating the homemade Google Duplex. What is Google Duplex? Google Duplex is a voice-based assistant over phone where we can make communication. Here I have made one Python script which will AIML based chatbot. I have installed that in my Raspberry Pi and I have connected the Raspberry Pi with my phone. And now I'm going to make a call, but before that let me run my board first. Now you can see the board has started loading the brain file. Now I'm going to make a call. Okay, finally. Okay, my phone is connected and now I'm going to ask this question. Hi, how are you?
Wait. Hi there! Exclamation. They are fine as far as I know. Now you say.
My name is Jignesh Prajapati.
Wait. Your name is Jignesh Prajapati. Is that correct English?
Okay, as you can see here, I have given two voice command. One is hi there, how are you? And they are showing that hi there, there are fine as far as I know. And the second command over phone, my name is Jignesh Prajapati. It recognized it and said that your name is Jignesh Prajapati. Is that correct English? Okay, so we can make automated generated responses using Raspberry Pi and phone also. Instead of phone, we can use GSM module. Thank you for watching this video.